Overweight is a common health issue that many people struggle with. But, did you know certain foods mimic the effects of a very popular weight loss medication, like semaglutide, also known as Ozempic? Imagine eating your way to a healthier, slimmer body without relying on pharmaceuticals. Sounds very good, right? There are foods out there that act like nature's own version of weight loss drugs, helping you suppress hunger, burn fat, and feel fuller for longer. So, let's revolutionize your weight loss naturally. Welcome to Levitas. Let's start by understanding how semaglutide works for weight loss, and then we'll reveal the powerful foods that can give you the same effects. Semaglutide, a medication originally developed to treat type 2 diabetes, has gained fame for its impressive weight loss results. But how exactly does it work? Semaglutide mimics a hormone in your body called glucagon-like peptide 1, or GLP-1, which plays a major role in appetite control. When you eat, GLP-1 is naturally released by your intestines, signaling your brain to feel full and satisfied. It also slows down the movement of food through your stomach, meaning you stay full for longer, helping you eat less. Another key function of semaglutide is that it helps regulate blood sugar levels by boosting insulin production and reducing glucagon, a hormone that raises blood sugar. With better blood sugar control, you avoid spikes and crashes that can trigger hunger and overeating. In short, semaglutide helps you eat less, control cravings, and burn fat more efficiently, making it a powerful tool in weight loss. While semaglutide is effective, like any medication, it comes with its share of side effects. The most common ones are gastrointestinal issues. Many people experience nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, especially when they first start taking the drug. This happens because the drug slows down digestion, which can sometimes lead to discomfort. Other side effects include bloating, indigestion, and constipation. For some, the gastrointestinal symptoms can be severe enough to make them reconsider taking the medication. There can also be muscle loss, which means a huge impact on metabolic health, headaches and dizziness, and in rare cases, semaglutide has been linked to more serious risks like depression, pancreatitis, or gallbladder issues. It's essential to consult with your healthcare provider to weigh the benefits against the potential side effects before using semaglutide. But, what if you could avoid all of this and still get the same benefits from food? Let's explore the natural, side effect-free alternatives that act like weight loss drugs. The first category of foods that can help you lose weight like semaglutide are grass-fed, grass-finished proteins. Why? High-quality proteins are essential for maintaining muscle mass and boosting metabolism. Protein increases thermogenesis, which means your body burns more calories to digest and metabolize it compared to fats or carbohydrates. It also increases feelings of satiety, helping you feel fuller longer, just like semaglutide. Moreover, grass-fed, grass-finished proteins offer a higher nutrient density, including omega-3 fatty acids, which promote fat loss and reduce inflammation. 3 great examples include grass-fed grass-finished beef. This type of beef is richer in omega-3s and conjugated linoleic acid or CLA, which helps reduce body fat. Pasture-raised chicken is higher in lean protein and lower in unhealthy fats compared to conventionally raised chicken. Wild-caught salmon is not only a high-quality protein source but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce fat storage and inflammation. These high-quality protein sources can effectively mimic the appetite-suppressing and fat-burning effects of semaglutide without the risk of side effects. Next up, insoluble fiber. This type of fiber doesn't dissolve in water, meaning it passes through your digestive system largely intact. So, how does it help with weight loss? Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps food move more efficiently through your digestive tract, keeping your gut healthy. But more importantly, it fills you up without adding calories, which helps reduce overall food intake, similar to the way semaglutide curbs hunger. Insoluble fiber also regulates blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that often lead to overeating. Here are 3 excellent sources. Low glycemic fruits, like berries, packed with fiber, helps keep you feeling fuller longer and stabilizes blood sugar levels. They also provide nutrients with antioxidant effects that protect you from chronic inflammation and free radical damage. Vegetables like broccoli, low in calories but high in insoluble fiber, broccoli is a great option for keeping hunger at bay. Nuts and seeds, like flax seeds, these provide both fiber and essential fatty acids, making them a double threat when it comes to shedding fat. Incorporating insoluble fiber ensures you stay satisfied for longer periods, helping you naturally eat less and lose fat. Now let's talk about soluble fiber, which unlike insoluble fiber, dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. This slows down digestion and helps control blood sugar spikes, keeping your insulin levels in check, like how semaglutide regulates blood sugar. Soluble fiber also promotes feelings of fullness by delaying the emptying of your stomach. Because it can absorb water and expand in your gut, soluble fiber can reduce the number of calories your body absorbs from food, essentially acting like a natural weight loss drug. Here are 3 of the best soluble fiber sources. Organic oats, rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol and keeps you full longer. Chia seeds, these tiny seeds absorb water, expand in your stomach, and help suppress appetite by creating a feeling of fullness. Legumes like lentils, high in both protein and soluble fiber, legumes help stabilize blood sugar and reduce food intake over time. So, more soluble fiber in your meals can give you the same benefits of appetite suppression and blood sugar control that semaglutide offers, without the side effects. Finally, we have healthy fats, which are often overlooked when it comes to weight loss. But certain fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, play a critical role in fat metabolism. They enhance your body's ability to burn fat while also helping to reduce inflammation, making it easier to lose weight. Healthy fats help you feel satisfied after meals, preventing overeating and cravings later in the day, very much like semaglutide. Here are 3 powerful sources of healthy fats. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats. They are very filling and can help regulate blood sugar levels, keeping you satisfied. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. This oil supports heart health while promoting fat loss. Fatty fish like mackerel, salmon, or sardines are loaded with omega-3s, which enhance fat burning, reduce inflammation, and improve overall metabolic function. By incorporating healthy fats into your food plan, you can fuel your body in a way that boosts fat burning and helps you stay full longer, just like weight loss medications, but without the side effects. In conclusion, while semaglutide is effective for weight loss, it comes with a variety of side effects, most notably gastrointestinal issues like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea due to slowed digestion. Other possible complications include bloating, constipation, muscle loss, and even more serious risks such as depression, pancreatitis, or gallbladder issues. Though these side effects can be managed, they may discourage many from using the medication. Fortunately, nature provides us with foods that can offer the same benefits without the discomfort or risk. High-quality, grass-fed, grass-finished proteins not only boost metabolism and maintain muscle mass but also increase satiety, keeping hunger at bay. Insoluble fiber fills the stomach, helping control food intake while promoting gut health. Soluble fiber mimics the appetite-suppressing effects of the drug by slowing digestion and controlling blood sugar levels. Finally, healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, enhance fat metabolism and reduce inflammation, all while helping you feel fuller longer. By incorporating these nutritive and natural alternatives into your food plan, you can achieve your weight loss goals without side effects, creating a sustainable, nutritious, and health-conscious approach to managing weight and fat release. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.